I put in so much doing research just to arrive where I have right now. This video is here to announce my training that will be coming up at the end of this month, February. We are in February. I'm actually filming this on February 21. Now, this is to inform you that I have a paid class, a commercial paid class for soya milk production and preservation, tiger nut production and preservation, yogurt production and preservation. Now, when it comes to yogurt, I have a preservation class of 2 months, and now I have an upgraded class of 4 months, 3 to 4 months. That is this particular class. Like if you attend this particular class, your yogurt is going to last for 3 to 4 months. The other class is for 2 months. That one is still valid. Okay, so it all depends on what you can pay for, what you can afford. Now, I'm also going to put up the prices to all of these classes before the end of this video. Now, I also have a paid class, commercial class on how to make Zobo and preserve Zobo. I also have a paid class on how to make commercial ice cream. Now, these classes are super affordable. I'm actually bringing it this way so that everyone can afford it. Now, with me, I have different preservative mix. I have them here. Now, this particular one, it can extend your yogurt shelf life to 2 months. Okay, it's going to extend your yogurt shelf life to 2 months. And then this particular one is going to upgrade your yogurt shelf life to 3 to 4 months. Okay, this one 3 to 4 months. Now, this one here is going to extend your soya milk and tiger nut shelf life to up to 2 months. I also have a class on how to extend your Zobo shelf life up to about 3 months. Yes. And I have a class on how to make ice cream. Now, all of these classes will be available from the end of this month. What it means is that at the end of this month, you can actually come to me, pay and get enrolled for this class. And even after this month, like you can come, whenever you have your money, you can come and get it. Secondly, my yogurt class is in 2, okay? One is the one for 2 months, the other one is the one for 3 months and 4 months, okay? So we have 2 different classes for yogurt. Their prices are different. Now, the one for soya milk, tiger nut, Zobo ice cream is in 1, and then we also have it in single packages. Like if you want to learn only ice cream, I have a class for that. If you want to learn only Zobo, so that's that. Now I'm going to tell you the prices so that you don't come to me in my DM to price me. Once you come to my DM, just know that this is the price for this particular class. If it is something you can do, you can come to my DM. If it is something you cannot do, do not bother to come to my DM. This is the cheapest you can get for those people that have, like people who have already paid for my 2 months class, 2 months yogurt class, and have taken it. If they want to upgrade, there will be discount for these people. That aside, now prices. Preserve your yogurt up to 2 months is 20,000 naira. Now this preservation can actually work outside the fridge. Okay, to preserve your yogurt for 4 months, the price for that class is 30,000 naira. Now, for soya milk, tiger nut, Zobo, and ice cream, this for one class is 5,000 naira only.